Hello everyone, good morning. See how the sun is hiding behind the clouds, making the weather so nice. Let's talk about some early necessary modifications for Royal Enfield Himalayan. The first one, the master cylinder guard. This is Royal Enfield's one. Now it is absolutely necessary because the position of the master cylinder, it's so exposed. I mean, if you are going to extreme, there is a chance of it will get damaged by something. But also, if you place your foot like this, on your toes, your foot will touch, your heel will touch the master cylinder. So this is necessary. And the brand, the Royal Enfield, should provide it on a stock bike, but they have chosen to give it as an accessory, so it's a must buy. The second one is the pannier rack, the saddle stay. So even if you are not using Saddlebag for first few days, I think you should install it from the showroom while getting your bike on day one, because it adds to the look. It gives the bike more adventurous look. And also, while putting your bike on center stand, I mean, instead of here, if you get to hold here, which is low, right, you won't feel the weight, the 200 kgs at all. It's so simple. The third one, which is an absolutely necessary, the side stand extender. Okay, there is a separate video on this piece of metal, and this is a must have for all Royal Enfield Himalayan. Without this, I was scared to park my bike on center stand if the mud is not hard enough. Now with this, life is so easy. Fourth one is probably the cheapest mod to a bike. The bike with only the front side of gear shift lever, we should add the gear shift shock, the gear shifter rubber. This will give some level of comfort. It won't damage your shoe or reduce the damage happened by the gear shift lever to your shoes. And also, we all are busy, so I know it's illegal, but people do take their bike, 1 or 2 kilometers from home wearing sandals. So if you use the gear shifter shock, your toes will be happy. Now these 4 are very first necessary modifications to Himalayan. I should also mention why when we buy this and install it to our bike, the Saddlebag stay, we should shift our rear indicators from their actual position to this, because of visibility. If you are using a Saddlebag, it blocks the indicators from this position. You can see, right? So for better visibility, and it's better looking also, we should all do that. So hope you liked the video. Enjoy your bike, enjoy our upcoming rides once the lockdown is over, once the COVID situation is reduced, and we all will go out. Till then, stay safe. Thanks for watching.